I wake up pretty late today because recently I was in Manhattan and I had a long day yesterday coming back to the city, getting settled. So today I have a few errands to run, like picking up the iPad mini 7, cleaning up the car, and getting some productivity stuff done around the house. Before I head out though, I gotta grab a cappuccino. I recently got into cappuccinos and found a great spot nearby called Super Coffee. Their cappuccinos are 10 out of 10, but the wasps are a little bit concerning. I'm kidding, seriously, I don't want to slander them. The coffee was great. I have to take the train to downtown Toronto to get to the Eaton Center. While I'm on the train, I browse socials and listen to some Drake. I don't care what you guys say, but I'm from Toronto and I will always rep Drake. Plus, Take Care is a certified classic. You could debate me in the comments. I get to Union and decide to walk to the mall. It's only like a 10 to 15 minute walk and it's not raining today. The weather's okay. I'm not really worried about it raining.
It's pretty loud here, but you do have the ability with the new iPhones to change the audio in post. So let me know how this sounds. All right, peace.
So I'm just gonna use this time to take pictures with the iPhone 16 camera and really test it out and use that camera control button. I also think it's a good time to test out the new AI features with the camera. If you push the camera control button, you're able to take a picture of your scene and you could do a Google image search. This will give you information about what you're looking at. So I can take a pic of Old City Hall and it'll give me information about it. You can also use it for plants, names of stores, and more. It's kind of like Shazam, but with images. If you travel a lot though, I can see it being really handy.
The battery is now at 67%, which is okay. Honestly, I just listened to music mostly, walked around, took pictures. So I don't know why it's that low, but it is. But yeah, going to the mall now. I actually didn't get anything to eat. I don't know if I'm gonna get something from the mall or just come back and cook it up. But all right, yeah, let's head to the mall.
I get to the Apple store and check out the iPhone 16 Pros. I still think that the white is probably the best color this year. I actually did get the 16 Pro originally, but returned it just because I think it wasn't worth the extra money over the 16. Also, while waiting, I swear to you, I waited like 15 minutes only. But the Apple guy felt so bad that I had to even wait that he gave me $80 off the price of the iPad, making it more of a steal. I'm grateful to him, so shout out the bro at the Apple store at Eaton Center. You're a real one. So far, I can't tell if the iPhone 16 has a better battery life than the Pro or similar, but it's absolutely looking like I'm gonna have to juice up if I want to continue the day. I head home to pick up the wifey and her daughter. I have to drop into her mom's house for the day, then head back home and do some more errands and do some cleanup. I'm back at home, it's 1:22. I just dropped the wifey off at her mom's. It's still like the middle of the day, I have a lot more to do and I'm at 30%. So it's at 30%, it's almost 1:30. I went to Manhattan for a little bit and even then I didn't really use the iPhone like that. I was just kind of like chilling without a phone really. And this is the first time I've used it, used the cameras and set it on auto brightness. Used it for music and traveling and all this stuff, and we gotta see. So I feel dirty, I feel sticky, I have to take off my hoodie, but I'm gonna go and straighten up the house a bit. ESR has earned its spot as the #1 MagSafe brand, and that's because they packed a lot of versatility into their MagSafe accessories. One I really had to rely on today was the ESR Qi 2 MagSafe battery pack. With a powerful 5,000 milliamp capacity, it's a compact yet robust portable charger that ensures that I'm never left with a dead battery while I'm outside. In fact, without it, today my phone would have died by noon. That kind of sucks. This battery pack isn't about power. No. It's built for optimal charging safety. With smart temperature sensors and an AI algorithm to monitor the heat, it charges coolly and efficiently at a steady 15 watts, bringing an iPhone 15 Pro from 0 to around 84% in about 2 hours and 55 minutes without any risk of overheating. Plus, the pack's built-in kickstand is a lifesaver when I'm filming or watching content. Another standout from ESR is the 3-in-1 MagSafe Qi 2 charger with Cryo Boost cooling technology. Not only does it offer the fastest 15-watt MagSafe charging for my iPhone, but it's also designed to keep my phone cool while charging for added speed and safety. My Apple Watch charges really fast too, about 50% faster than similar chargers I've used. So go ahead, check the link in the description today and pick up one of these chargers. After cleaning, I decide to take the time to relax on the balcony and drink some coffee and catch up on everything. And it's a perfect time to try the Emoji, which allows you to create your own emojis using AI. I tried something random like putting a taco on top of a pyramid, and then I used my own photos to create some. And nah, I don't care. I'm offended by what they did to me. I have more riz than this, right? Right? I also use this to make pictures of my daughter, and yeah, she's cute, but I think that they think that she's a boy. But yeah, another cool feature is something that I'm never ever gonna use. I have to head over to the car store so I can pick up some cleaning stuff for the car. It's a little bit dirty, and it's about to rain outside, so I'm trying to beat the rain, and then I gotta head out one more time. So let's not waste any more time. Let's head over to Canadian Tire. I head over to the auto store for some car wipes. I know these aren't the best wipes, but I just need something to wipe up quickly since I didn't have a chance to really get in there and clean my car efficiently since my daughter was born. I've really just been busy. All right, quick little battery update. Time is now basically 3:30 and the phone percent is at 7%. Sorry for the audio, yo, it's also kind of windy. I'm starving. I actually did not eat a damn thing all day. I just had coffees and stuff, and I had a long day so far. So let's go ahead, grab something to eat. Got the whip looking clean. Okay. Let's head on back. 3:49 p.m. I decided to get lunch at a pho place nearby. The decor is really nice, like 10 out of 10, but I don't want to stay there, so I got it to go and I can eat it at home. I finished editing a few upcoming videos and I used my iPhone to respond to emails. I like these AI features. I'm writing a fake email here and I can easily reword it to make it look more professional using Apple Intelligence. I can also make it more friendly, use it to proofread my writing, and more. It's pretty cool and something I'd definitely take advantage of. All right, I think it's time to give my final thoughts on the iPhone 16. I just want to start off with, those AI features. I just think that they're cool, but that's it at best. It's not like in a practical setting and like everyday use, I'm never gonna use Genmoji. I'm never really gonna use the image search. Maybe if I'm traveling. I can't say that those are useless features. There is a use for them, but not for my everyday lifestyle. I'm not going to be using it. One thing that I do think that I'll use is those writing AI tools. I think those are amazing. Easily touch up an email or a text, either make it sound more friendly or more professional, or just proofread it in general. As somebody that emails a lot of brands and all that, then I think that that is a useful feature. This is not going to be the phone for anybody that travels frequently or has long days and long commutes. Your battery is going to die quite quick before you end off the day, so you might want to pick up a battery pack. Instead, you might want to look at the Plus or the Pro Max. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Appreciate you so much. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your life. I'm out of here. It's Halloween. Spooky season is here and I gotta go. Peace.